So now you can use ChatGPT to find out, very amazing video ideas for your YouTube channel. Okay, so for example, you can just say to ChatGPT, can you please provide me 20 videos idea, um, 20 video ideas on. Then you can just put the quotation, and you can say, uh, 10 ways to, okay, you can put dash dash, again put quotation. And what you can do is that you can just put, or you can just click on shift and enter, and you can say my niche is make money, right? And click on enter. Okay, so now chat gpt will going to give you, 20 best ideas to make money for your YouTube videos. Okay, so you can see that it is saying that you can make money by investing in stocks, drop shipping, affiliate marketing, online survey, freelance work, renting, selling handmade items. So there are plenty of things: starting a blog or YouTube channel, participating in market research, and there are plenty more like selling goods and service and favor, starting a virtual assistant business, starting a cleaning and organization business, selling items on Amazon or eBay, photography. And these are the stuff which ChatGPT is going to give you. Also you can mention for the 30, 40, 100, but you have to make sure that what will be your niche is very much important. For example, I know my niche is make money. Maybe your niche can be, let's say, related to traveling. Okay, so whatever your niche is, just tell to ChatGPT like this, and it will going to give you ideas for which you can create your YouTube videos. Okay,